Okay, so I got the other one put together finally. After I calmed my nerves a little bit and settled down. Now we're going to assemble this guy. Ah, it just popped out on me. Go. Get that guy over, latch, done. And that's put together. Now do the same thing on the other end. We'll snap that one in together. Turn around here. Get this guy together here. Not quite going together. It's not flush. So I need a little gentle persuasion here. And that will get that together here. Okay, so we got that tight. This one's a little loose. I'm going to tighten that a little more. I can see that you want to turn a full 90. The little indent, you want them turned 90 degrees from where they currently are, so that way they are fully gripped and locked. Otherwise they'll unlock on you and it will fall apart. So make sure they're 90, or fairly close to 90. Then that will keep them nice and tightly latched. Okay, so now I've got two of the sides together, one more side to go, and we'll be all set. This is going to be a little more difficult to do because I have to put the side in and put the piece together and do everything all at one time basically, and I effed up, right? I screwed up that one. That's the wrong part. That's a short one. Oh no, don't tell me I did that. I did. That's the wrong part on that end. I've got, the top is supposed to have the wide ones and I have a wide one on that end, which is wrong. The short ones are supposed to all be on the end opposite. Let's see. Let's see. It was the switch end gets the tall ones, right? Come on, where is it? Wants to hide it from me now. Come on, where is it? There. Right here. So 50s go on the end where the switch is and the 40s go on the other end. And so I have, what do I have? Looks like I got, I can't tell. Okay, so I've got two 50s on this end, but I have the other 50 on that end. So I gotta take this end apart and put the right one in the right place. This is wrong. Undo that. Undo that. Take this out. Put this one in. The other one in. Reverse my ratchet. Not nurse ratchet, reverse my ratchet. And now we'll get my persuasion going on here because this is not coming together. Like that. thing is turning on me. Okay, got it at 90. That feels good. Now we'll do the other one and do the same thing again. Little gentle persuasion here. We'll line it up and turn to 90, and that's latched. All right, now I got the right ones in the right place. Okay, so that's the switch, that's the switch. Now I got to put another one of these on. Let's see, I need the thin one here. The wide one here. Maybe if I can get the darn thing to. It's turned on me. That one ready, and that one's ready. And make sure my switch is at the right end on this guy. And we'll get that together here and that together there. And this one. Why ain't that going together? So it's being held up by something. Why ain't this happening? Why is that one stopping? Oh, come on, really? Come on, you fucking piece of shit. Sorry, guys. Did it again, didn't I? I'm always cursing at something. Oh, God darn it. Okay. Tighten one. Make sure you're going the right way. Things just are not wanting to go together the way they should. Look at that. Really, I put that on, it pulls the whole thing over on me. Oh, damn it. Son of a fucking bitch. I fucking swear. I wanted a wrench, like a regular screwdriver handle with a 3/8 inch drive, so I could use this tool without having to use a freaking wrench, you know, a socket wrench on it, you know, but it decided to be a pain in the butt. They didn't have anything like that, a 3/8 inch drive, like screwdriver handle. You know, so it was just whatever I could do to make it work. one side done. And I'll do the other side here. There. Now you just got to put the other rail that I knocked on the floor over on the other side together. So I'm going to now rotate this whole thing over. I'm going to take some plastic off of this. There. Rotate that over. So it's easier to get to the screw mounts here. Okay, maybe. Thought I had it, and then the whole thing slid on me. Alright, so now we got that. And I can see like that. And there we go, that's 90. And as I say before, wash and repeat. And that now has our Delta built. Okay, so the frame's all built. So a little bit of editing on this video and we'll have it all complete for this part. And the first part of this Cerambot is done. And I'll put away my tools for now. And call that the end of this part. Slides up next. I'm done for the night on this one. I got the frame all together. So I keep wanting to scroll on that page and thing on that page. The next step is to put this the plate together. So it looks like they have a lower plate. I can't tell which one's the lower plate on this. It looks like it's the one without the motors mounts on it. It looks like to me. Looks like this one might be the lower plate. Can't tell. Yes, this one's the lower plate. Okay, so this is our lower plate. Looks like it gets just pulleys on it. The motor's going to be on the top of this thing, huh? Looks like to me. That's why the bigger pieces are on the top. So this is the bottom. And the pulleys, the smooth pulleys, the one without the teeth on it. So these are the smooth pulleys without the teeth. These are the pulleys with the teeth. These are the ones that go on the motor. These are the ones that just sit on the bottom. And they're going to be mounted on these plates right here. And that's for tomorrow. That's for next time. That'll be in part 2 of our video from here. And that's where we're at.